Hey Vision Tech fans, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something really exciting to talk about, an early look at the upcoming Google Pixel 10 Pro, and yes, it's straight from a leaked prototype. A big thanks to Mystic Leaks for this scoop. The original photos were spotted on a Chinese site called Cool App, and they show what looks like a DVT 1.0 prototype, one of Google's earliest working test models before mass production begins. From the screenshots, the device is already running Android 16, not the usual TPR1 test version. The settings menu still features Google's expressive pre-material U3 design, which we've seen before and looks familiar by now. Design-wise, there are a few interesting updates. On the bottom, the USB-C port has matching speaker and mic cutouts on either side, similar to past Pixels. But now, the SIM card tray has moved up to the top left corner, replacing an antenna slot, and it appears slightly wider than before. Looking at the rear, the camera bar keeps that iconic Pixel look, but the glass panel now reaches closer to the edges with a thinner metal frame. The camera bump is a bit thicker too, possibly to house upgraded camera hardware. Specs-wise, this Pixel 10 Pro, codenamed Blazer, comes with 16 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. It's powered by the upcoming Tensor G5 chip, and here's the CPU setup: 2 Cortex-A 520 cores, 3 Cortex-A 725 cores, 2 more A725 cores, and 1 Cortex-X4 Prime core, 8 cores in total, designed for powerful performance and efficient multitasking. Although the app shows the chip is built on a 5nm process, many experts believe the final Tensor G5 will actually be made using a more advanced 3nm process. That could just be an error from early software readings. The modem listed here is the G5 400i, which suggests it might still be using a Samsung Exynos modem, even though past leaks hinted at MediaTek being involved. And here's something wild. The Pixel 10 Pro, or possibly the Pro XL, was actually seen out in public recently at a beach in Vancouver, Canada. It looked like Google was filming a commercial, and someone even caught a glimpse of the storyboard. So yes, this phone is not only real but already being featured in promo shoots. One of the standout features is a new AI tool called Google AdMma. This lets you add people into your photos even if they weren't there when the picture was taken. So if you missed the shot, or were the one behind the camera, you can now magically appear in group photos after the fact. It's a huge step forward for mobile photography. The Pixel 10's design also includes a clean, horizontal camera bar, now updated with a sleek black oval housing the lenses, surrounded by a larger oval with the LED flash. It still feels like a Pixel, but it's definitely more refined. Color options for the standard Pixel 10 include Obsidian, Black, Blue Iris, a soft purple, and Limoncello, a light yellow. The Pro and Pro XL versions will be available in Obsidian, Green, Sterling Gray, and Porcelain, a classy white finish. Among these, the Blue Iris really stands out in the leaks with its modern, stylish appeal. Now you're probably wondering, when is it coming out? While Google usually launches Pixels in October, last year the Pixel 9 came out early in August. So if they repeat that schedule, we could see the Pixel 10 series drop as early as August 2025, which is only a few months away. So if you're considering upgrading your phone, it might be worth waiting just a little longer. The Pixel 10 Pro looks like it's going to be one of the most exciting releases of the year. Let us know what you think about all these leaks and features in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more tech updates from Vision Tech. Don't forget to ring the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest content. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out, Vision Tech family.